It took me 2,180 days to develop this strategy, 6 long years, and today I'm sharing it with you, my friends, absolutely free. With this strategy, I have an 81% win rate over time. Want the same? Then watch closely. You are on the Traders LEYA channel and we are starting. Every trader over years of trading experience develops their favorite strategies. Each one is different, depending on the trader's style and preference. It's like cars. One person likes modern SUVs, another prefers sport cars, while a third loves collectible vintage cars. It doesn't mean one class of cars is better than another. People just have different tastes. I also have a set of favorite strategies, and today I'm going to share one of the simplest and most profitable ones with you. So grab your pens and notebooks and pay close attention till the end. In trading, price can be displayed in several ways: linear chart, Japanese candlesticks, bars, and Heikin Ashi. I will use the last type in this strategy. Heikin Ashi is a type of candlestick calculated using a specific formula based on Japanese candlesticks on the same chart. To enable it, you need to click this button and select it from the list. See how the chart looks now. This type of price display smooths out price noise and shows the dominant price direction over a period. Let's figure out how to use Heikin Ashi in trading. First, we add an indicator to this chart. I choose moving averages. Then go to the settings and switch to the inputs tab. Here, change the length to 6. You can also change the color to one you like. Now, let me explain the signals given by combining this indicator with this type of chart. For example, if the price one chart is going down and at some point a candle with a very small body and long wicks appears, it's called a doji. If the next candle after the doji closes in the opposite direction and above the moving average, like on my chart, it's great signal to buy an option. This strategy considered counter trade because they enter against the movement that was present before the doji appeared. However, if the trend on a higher time frame aligns with the trade direction, it will strengthen the result and won't even be considered a counter trend entry. For selling, the situation should be the opposite. Wait for a doji after a price rotation and sell when the next candle after the doji closes below the moving average. Now let's practice. Let's see how to make money with this strategy in the Quotex broker terminal. First, switch to the Heikin Ashi chart as the default is set to Japanese candlesticks. Open the list with this button and select the needed display. Now find and set up the moving average. Go to the list with this button, select the moving average, and in the settings change the period to 6 and make it a bit thicker. It will help to see the signals better. I'm opening the first trade for an uptrend with this strategy. Now let's see why I bought an option right here. In this segment, there was downtrend that ended with the candle having a small body and long peaks. The next candle showed growth and closed above the doji. I waited a bit for a pullback and entered the trade at this point because predicted that the price would rise, allowing me to profit from the option purchase. For this strategy, you need a 1-minute time frame, and each trade can last only a minute. But you can also enter for 2 to 5 minutes if you prefer. You just have to wait longer. Everything is going great. The price rises after the doji, and the trade closes with a good profit. Let's reinforce the result by opening another option with strategy. This time I enter in market for sale because all the signs are there on the chart. After a small rise, a doji appears and the next candle closes below it. A clear signal to sell. Don't forget about the moving average. The price should be below it, for a down signal as in the case. It's also a good idea to check the trend direction on a higher time frame. If the trend is down on a 5-minute chart, it's better to look for sell signals on the 1-minute chart. And this time the option closes with a good profit. With any strategy, try to trade in the direction of the trend on the higher time frame. I often discuss rules like this to greatly enhance your trading in my Telegram channel. There you'll find trading signals, strategies, and support. So join my community through the link in the description. But we are not done yet. Let's improve our strategy. You can improve any strategy by adding a great filter to it. I'll keep it simple and add my favorite and popular indicator, RSI, to the Heiken Ashi chart. We need it to refine our entry points. In this strategy, we will use all its signals, divergence, and overbought oversold zones. For example, in this case, the indicator showed oversold conditions, and at the same time the price on the chart reversed and started to rise. Using this is very simple. If you see a doji candle after the price drop, the next candle closes above the doji, and RSI shows oversold or starting to leave this zone. That's the best signal to buy. Then the chart is rising and doji appears. The next candle closes below it, and RSI is overbought. Enter a sell trade confidently. This trade will most likely be profitable. And I hope this video will earn you like. If you are not subscribed, make sure to do so. There is much interesting trading content ahead. Now I'll try opening few deals with a new feature, RSI indicator signals. Let's see how much better trading will be with it. We add the RSI indicator from this list on the broker's website. In the settings, we need to change the overbought and oversold levels. Set them to 80 and 20. This will give fewer signals, but they will be more accurate. Here's an excellent buying opportunity. The trend before the trade was downward. On the indicator, the last low is higher than the previous one, while the price shows decreasing lows. This is a clear bullish divergence. Adding to this the main signal of your strategy with the doji, followed by a candle closing above it, gives us a perfect signal to buy an option. The price doesn't disappoint. The currency pair shows growth. I recommend studying divergence. Based on my experience, it's a very strong pattern that can bring huge profits. The trade ended in profit, but unfortunately I lost connection with the platform for a few seconds, so I couldn't show it on the screen. Let's open another trade. I already have an excellent opportunity for an upward entry, similar to the previous one. There is divergence here too. The RSI shows rising lows, while on the price chart the lows are falling. And this is happening in a bearish market. There is also a signal from our strategy. A doji candle with the next one closing above it indicated a buy signal as the price is likely to rise soon. And it started to rise almost immediately. It's hard for market to beat divergence. Yes, sometimes it doesn't work out, but if the divergence on the chart is clear, success is guaranteed 95% of the time. The option closed in profit, the account balance increased. What could be better? Join my Telegram channel if you want to learn to trade like this, understand how the market works, study new cool strategies, and receive trading signals. You can start using this strategy to make money right now, but I want to give you a couple more insights that will greatly improve your trading. The first thing I mention in almost every video: keep a trading journal. This might seem unnecessary, but it will make your trading more professional. It's like your logbook, where you record how the systems work. If sometimes goes wrong, you can easily find out why. Create a table with just 5 columns where you will write down the currency pair, the trade time, and description of why you opened the option, and the result. The 5th column is for analysis, if the trade was unsuccessful. You look for the mistake that may have caused it. Maybe you entered too early, maybe too late, or maybe there was no signal at all. The journal will help you identify and correct weaknesses. The second hack to improve your trading: screenshots of charts. You need to find ideal examples on the chart where you can open a trade according to the strategy and take screenshot of that part of the chart. I recommend making 5 to 10 such pictures, printing them and hanging them right in front of your computer. Before entering a trade, you will always see if your signal on the chart matches the strategies or not. I did this when I was a beginner. It helps a lot and it improves your trading skills. I think it's time to wrap up. In this video, I gave you everything you need to start earning right now. If something is unclear, I recommend watching it again. I can also answer questions in my Telegram channel. The main thing, don't rush and trade step by step, as I did in the examples, and you'll definitely succeed. In the meantime, I'll go prepare a new useful and cool video. Wishing you great trading success and an excellent mood. Bye!